Hello everybody, welcome back to WWDF, Weather with Dad Fun. Today we are coming to you live from Delaware with the most outrageous blizzard we have seen in ages. I'm out here going to get the final measurements. Let me pull out my handy dandy measuring tape. Bear with me now. Okay, we're gonna measure this real quick. I'm gonna take a guess and say, we're at maybe 10 inches right now. So we got the measuring tape here. Oh shoot. Oh, come on. Oh gosh, I almost lost the measuring tape. We are at 9.5 inches. We have 9.5 inches of snow out here, ladies and gentlemen. The weather is very cold, very windy. Might have some power outages later on today. Stay tuned for more news. Passing it back over to you. Before we get into any serious fun out here, I gotta shovel off these steps. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we got everybody else getting ready to go outside and enjoy the snow. Like the weatherman said, this is the biggest blizzard Delaware has seen in a while. So make sure you stay tuned and enjoy this fun with us. Hey guys, just me, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man here, coming on the Dad Fun channel to have some fun with the dad and the kids. Go Spidey, go. I swear I'm not Dad, I'm Spider-Man. Yeah, Peter Parker. Don't tell nobody. So me and Malcolm are outside right now waiting for the girls. We came out because we're dressed and ready to go. We got the football out here, so we're gonna have some fun, some web slinging action. Oh, sorry, kid. Looks like one of the girls just came to join us out here today.
Mom's coming out in a minute.
All right. How you doing?
Good.
That's good to hear.
It's deep. I know. I beat her cover.
I got my face mask on. What?
You're Spider-Man.
No, I'm not. I'm Dad. This is WWE Snow Edition. Yes. Speaking of WWE, the Royal Rumble is on tonight. Depending on when you guys see this, who are you picking to win the Royal Rumble? Comment down below who you think is gonna win. Might be me. Oh, she's down for the count. There goes the other girl. What do you mean? I'm Peter Parker. Are you Mary Jane? Oh, shoot. Tap out. Tap. The truth has come out. Dad Fun is Spider-Man. I don't know what we're gonna do now that they know. At least hit the subscribe button if it's red like my mask. Make it gray like my Dad Fun hat. They're trying to take me down, but it's not working. Now he's trying to take my pants down. Get mommy. Mommy got you. Yes, the snow we got here is not very packable. It's still very dusty. It's light snow. I don't know if the weatherman told you guys or not, but we got 9.5 inches here in Delaware. Comment down below where you're from and how many inches of snow you got. You can. Oh, my. There is. Oh, gosh. Shoot. Choke slam. The champ is here. I'm still undefeated. Not undefeated anymore. Got snow on my beard. I would look good with a white beard, like Santa. Oh God, look at my hair. Oh gosh. Whew, it's cold out here, guys. Very cold. We have Dad Fun beanies. I lost mine. I don't know where it went. But with this weather coming, if you guys want to purchase one, comment down below, message us on Facebook or Instagram. We will set something up and get you one. We've already had football. We played football out here. We did some wrestling. So basically right now what it looks like, we're doing the Winter Olympics right now. Next, we are moving on to Blizzard basketball. Let's see how this goes. Everyone get a ball. Give me a green one, Jackie.
I love green. Ew, I don't know.
Shoot hoops.
Oh, that was too big.
You could try. You haven't tried that one in a while. Throw it real hard. Kobe! Oh, never mind. It's not Kobe. Hey, snow. Oh, mama. Hey, what the heck? Where did I shoot at? Hey, look at Malcolm. Oh, look at Mom. Oh, shoot. This is a dodgeball. Oh my gosh! Here, you throw one. Hit me! Oh, miss. Hey, Dad finally made one. If I make this, I'm gonna do a far shot. If I make it in 3 tries, you have to subscribe. We'll go all the way back here. Oh, okay. 1. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It's real windy out here. It went in! No, it didn't. Anyway, hit that subscribe button anyway, just because we bring you laughter. Oh! Mom made it. Mom made it, so subscribe. Roxy, say hi. We got Roxy out here in the snow, enjoying some fun. It looks like she's smiling. You having a good time? She was a little bit ago, I promise. Let's go for a walk, come on. Come on.
Oh, God. Took you out. Oh.
All right, so this is going to be a very long weekend of snow. Luckily, I got off this weekend, but we're going to take a break, go get something to eat, enjoy some hot chocolate or whatever, try to stay warm. So make sure you stay tuned for more of this blizzardous fun.